Hi guys, welcome to Gold Today. This video is brought to you by the coach. Remember, always our job is to make you rich. If you are a new subscriber, welcome aboard and thank you for joining us. If not yet, please hit the subscribe button. We are going to start our video with the economic calendar. On the economic calendar for Wednesday, there will be so many important economic headers to be released from all around the world, but from the United States, we'll be waiting only for the Chicago Fed President Evans speech, which is highly important. That's all. We'll have a look now at the numbers. On the last trading session of Tuesday, we have had a trading range from 1456 to 1474. Numbers are rounded and the market is still open. Gold spot is expected to print a close price above 1471. The number is rounded and the market is still open. Gold is trading in a bull trend above its old daily simple moving averages. The 50 days daily simple moving average is about 1404. This is the base right now, and 1430, the 20 days daily simple moving average is a good when a pullback happens. We are overbought on the weekly chart and the rate is increasing. We are 81. Supports are 1467, then 63, then 1456, and for the resistance levels it's 1483, 1504, and then 1530. That's all. We'll be moving now to the trading strategy. Yesterday, after our video was aired, Nasdaq, the US equity index, dropped additional almost 200 points. What matters here that the US indices, the three of them, the main S&P, Nasdaq, and the Dow Jones, they have found acceptance below the 200 days daily simple moving average, and they closed below that all the main daily simple moving averages 20, 50, 100, 200. Which means that the rally is officially over in the stock market, and all what we have seen is so far a bounce of a dead cat. This is very important for gold to keep moving up higher, and any significant drop in the market will be seen as a start of sell-off, which will support gold prices on the near future. News today from China that they are going to step in to stop the yuan devaluation against the US dollar and other major currencies. I cannot bank actually on this, because it's Chinese. If Chinese got pissed off simply because of Trump or anything that he could do, this is their main weapon, is to devaluate the currency. Before the Fed decision of lowering interest rates, the bonds market was pointing that the interest rate is higher than what it has to be by 65 base points. After the rate cut took place, the bonds market should have pointed to only 40 base points, since 25 already done. But the fact that it's pointing now to 100 base points rate cut, and it could increase further. So I have had an argument. I said that I expect the Fed to cut by October another 25 base point. I think in September they are going to cut at least 50 base points, or otherwise the economy of the United States is under serious threat of collapsing. Technically, gold is in a bull trend above its old daily simple moving averages and above the trend line. 1400 is now guarded with the 50 days daily simple moving average, as we said, and the breakout yesterday moved gold into another price channel with 1530 spot rate at the top of that channel. If the fundamentals are still the same and gold drops, close your eyes and buy it. This is what you have to do. If it drops more, add more, but always use small quantities. This is a hint for the trading. There are some levels. I've done my study and I found that there are some levels interesting to me to enter the market as a buyer if any dip happened. Those levels are 1463 to 64, and if we get to 1456, the low of today is, and it was holding, it's a good price to buy. Then 1430, this is a place you have to buy with all what you got, because it's the 20 days daily simple moving average, and it's considerably cheap. Also, give put this and try to get this into your mindset about the gold. If something is trading on an expensive rate and it gets cheap for a limited period of time, the usual reaction of the people is to buy it with shovels. So if don't be afraid when gold dips, just get into and buy. That's all for today. Thank you guys. I'll see you tomorrow in another video.